What's up, team? It's the 12th of March, and we are back in the charts. I know I haven't uploaded one of these daily analysis in quite a while now, given that I had uploaded a course. And if you haven't checked the beginner's course, you can go and check out the last video we uploaded. And obviously, over the period of last week, we did see a lot of movement on Euro USD, and to a certain extent, I must have traded a lot and made a couple bad decisions as well. Therefore, I had to pull back and reanalyze my decisions, and now we are getting back on track and continue. Okay, so it being the 12th of March, we have to check. We have CPI news today at 8:30 a.m. Therefore, we're expecting to see a lot of movement. And at 9:45 New York time, we will be seeing CAD news at even at 10:30 a.m. as well. So it's always essential and it's always important, as I've mentioned on all the previous videos before. It's always important and essential for you to check out the news, given that it can really affect your setup to the point whereby you might see that you're in profit, and then within the next couple minutes or within the next couple seconds, you might find yourself out on loss. So this is one of like the top three trading mistakes that you should avoid, right? Which is trade and not being aware of the news, because you might be up 30 pips, 50 pips, and then within the next couple minutes you're down. So it's always essential to know when the news is coming, especially if it's a red news type of day. And for that to happen, you have to make sure you check. So first I want to look at the DXY. So you can see the way DXY was collapsing was crazy. And all the way down here, this is where we are on DXY. Just crazy if you ask me. All the way down here, DXY has been collapsing. Okay, so now that we know that, okay, we are collapsing on DXY, this, most of the other traders, they would just choose to mark this certain area or whatever, which is acting as an area of resistance currently. Though ideally, if it were have to be, I would like Euro use DXY to rise so that Euro USD can drop, given that it has been rising for quite a while now. So this is what's happening on DXY. So let us go straight to the charts and look at a couple pairs and see which pairs and which setups we might be able to benefit from today. But before, let me go on the 15 minutes chart. Okay, I guess I have to change the timings on my session. My session timings don't seem to be, yeah, now they are aligning. You can see we have the Asian, then it came up here, dropped. We have low, we have the low as well, somewhere over here. BAM 1, BAM 2, BAM 3. You can even see from looking at this that we got level 1, level 2, level 3 over here. And if we were to actually box this in, we will just do this real quick. Hold on. I think I have to put a much different color. No. Okay. This would be 1. And this would be 2 over here. And then bam, we have level 3 over here. And ideally, I would like this to be 1. This over here to be 1. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Ideally, we have 1, 2, 3. Ideally, I would like this to be level 1. Obviously, we already have hit the downside over here. And I think we have already hit the downside over here. Price is already starting to rise to the upper side. So if this is going up, right? If this here is going up, then let us open Euro USD. Let's open Euro USD real quick. Euro USD real quick. And as you can see, Euro USD has been rising like crazy because DXY and Euro USD, they usually move. They are usually opposites when it comes to moving. With the DXY, Euro USD, they're usually opposite. So let us see. Since DXY, we were expecting the DXY to rise. We want it to rise. Therefore, by extension, we also want Euro USD to drop, which would make more sense for us. Unfortunately, I can't really see. I think I'm gonna have to manually mark the day separators. Those lines are separate my days. Okay. So that we can see which level exactly are we in. These daily separators, they also can help you on the level count. And on Friday, I'm gonna make it slightly tick. This is Monday. As you can see, we had our peak formation low down here. And then from this point here, price rose 1 day, price rose 2 days, price rose 3 days. Let's see. Let me just mark this, 1, 2, and 3. And we were actually expecting price to reverse here to make the whatever M or whatever and reverse, but price did not give us the reversal we were waiting for. Instead, they kept pushing to the high side. They pushed another level to the high side over here, pushed another level to the high side, making it. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 days of rise, and then the whole of Monday, as you can see, price was like consolidating the whole of Monday. Price has been consolidating. Then today, which is Monday, even Tuesday, bit of Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday they rose a little bit. So this is where we are right now. How many days of rise? 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are now at the 50th day of rise, which is something that rarely happens. So I would like to see price drop or give us some sort of rejection, some sort of rejection. Maybe we could be targeting this is what is this the 50 style visibility inputs. Hold on. Yeah, we could be targeting this should be the 50 EMA over here. No, this is the 50. No, this is the 200. Yeah, this is the 200. We should be targeting the 200 EMA as a take profit or whatever, but only if we actually see the confirmation that we are looking for. Lately, okay. This looks quite nice. Ideally, if we were to enter this trade over here, let's see. If you were to enter a short position, obviously our high would have to be above. Let me change this real quick. So our stop loss would be somewhere above the London high over here. And then obviously our first TP ideally would be here, but then we are looking at the 15 minutes, which is this is just short-term sell. We could enter the short-term sell from here, and we would be targeting the 50 because the 200 currently is too far away. So it's always best to target the 50, which is nearby, the nearest point, right? Stop loss. Okay, entry is here. Stop loss slightly above the high. And this would be a beautiful sell trade. Let us let us see how many pips this would be. Our stop loss would be 15 pips. Our TP needs to be at least 32 pips or more. So this would be a 1:2 type of trade, which is good because we're in this business to minimize the risk. Yeah, this would be a 1:2 type of trade on Euro USD. Let me just look for some extra confirmation on over here. I just need to check something real quick. Okay, this is what high. Okay, this is where we are right now. Over here we are good as well. It hasn't closed the taking yet. Let's go back to here. Also this is the daily open line. Okay, usually the daily open line is also a really powerful and strong line. Yes, this is the daily open line. This is a powerful strong line that we can use as some sort of resistance or extra confirmation, because see how price came here and it started rejecting. We could use the daily open line as well. And not only do we have the daily open line over that price point, we also have the Asian high. Because let me do this. Hopefully it won't mess up. Yes, we also have the Asian high over here, daily open line, and the Asian high literally sitting at the same price point, which is this price point right here. Let me just put some sort of an arrow or something here. This is a strong point. This is a quite strong point actually over here. Here. So something a bit more visible. Okay. Something a bit more visible for this one, and I need to reduce this. I need to reduce this real quick. Okay, okay. Shit, what am I doing? Okay. I hate when this happens. I don't like my screen to be too big. I like it to be slightly smaller. Yes. Okay, so at this point we want to see price drop. So we sell on Euro USD, which is gonna be a trade that we are trading against most odds clearly, because most people Euro USD has been rising for the longest now, and most people they have been zero. Okay. Yeah, just placed a sell on Euro USD just now. Okay. Euro USD. Okay, just placed a sell on Euro USD. Obviously, we're using a proper risk management, therefore should expect any problems from it. Okay. So good. Yeah, quick sell on Euro USD. Just hoping that price is going to drop. Given that we do have CPI news coming up as well. I usually don't like to trade the news. I'm pretty sure I've mentioned this a couple times, even over the previous videos I've made. So yeah, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna wait, and then since we have already entered the trade on this sell on this specific trade, um should be looking at we should be looking at it and try to see what's up with it. Okay. I'm trying to actually enter on my other account. So, but let me just for the meantime, let us open another one. We do have what's happening on US 30. It's really happening on US 30 right now. Nothing much, nothing much, nothing much. Okay. Let me mark US 30 so that we find what's going on here. As you can see, all this whole area was consolidating. Okay, login. This whole area has been consolidating, and we do have our first level. Then we do have our second level over here. Then US 30 just looks like we have one, we have two, we're on a third level of drop currently on US 30, so which is somewhere we need to start looking and paying some sort of attention to it, because it looks like it's a good area that is playing at right now. Ideally, I would like US 30 to do some sort of rejection, make a clear W formation. You know, you know how that goes. Make some sort of W formation or whatever. Where's my other account? Yeah, make some sort of W formation. Let me pause a little bit. So, okay, ideally, I would like US 30 to come down here and go to the upside. Then we have USD Let me try and mark this, given that it's not that clear. Let me just try to mark this one real quick and see if we can win. I start by marking the most obvious areas that I can clearly see first. Then I start worrying about the rest afterwards. I guess so from this point here, I can see that price started from up here, which was our quick formation high. We had our first day of drop over here. Why is this not copying? Yeah, so as we had our first day of drop over here, we had our second day of drop over here, and essentially our third day. So this is where we currently are on USD CHF. So we're over here. We got two probabilities. I reset, but ideally at this point in time, I'm looking for buys. We did get a W here. I don't know why it's retracing. Maybe if it wants to come back again and give us some sort of confirmation to go outside, then that's when I would be interested in entering this one. So currently I'm only sticking to, wow, EURUSD already dropping. We entered somewhere at this point over here, and look at where EURUSD already is right now. Let me make this slightly bright. What's up, team? It's good to be back and do a continuation on yesterday's setup. Unfortunately, I was unable to finish up the video yesterday. When I came up, it was a bit late. However, this is the trade. As you can see, we entered somewhere here, and our TP was somewhere here, as this EMA also was down here, as you can see already from the video. I did also allow me. I did also share this specific trade on my Telegram channel, and for all those who managed to benefit from it, it was actually pretty good. As you can see, this is the trade we took, the sell over here. I wanted to go in with a big lot size, but unfortunately, I ended up putting 30 cents at first over here. You can see we made a little over 3K yesterday, and obviously it's a live account. Which is a pretty good return given that it was just a CPI trade. And one thing was I also kept my stop loss open because I knew that since it was the news coming up, price would spike or anything of that sort. This is the reason why I kept my stop loss open. However, the good thing is price did hit our TP before reversing slightly, and now currently we are going to the downside. I Initially, I wanted to end the video right here by just sharing with you the updates on this one. However, as you can see, today we might also be able to identify a few setups. So we got Monday, Tuesday, you know, Wednesday, then today it's Thursday. Let me just mark this as well. Thursday. So obviously we do have our days of rise, and from this point onwards, we are looking for some sort of sell confirmation so that we can go sell side. But however, right now as it is, I don't see any kind of sell confirmation on this one. Therefore, we are just going to be waiting for today. Remember, guys, always no trade, no setup, no trade. Okay. No setup, no trade, which is something that's really, really important to always take in mind, that don't project your beliefs on the market. Instead, let the market play out itself, and then you only trade what the market has been showing you, and you only react towards that, which is something that's really, really going to be beneficial within your trading career. So for all of those who are new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like, given that as we grow the channel, I'm going to be doing a lot of things. Probably soon enough, I'm going to be doing live sessions as well, where we can all trade live together, and we can all share our beliefs, and then we can all benefit from these specific trades together live. So for that to happen, obviously the channel needs to grow a little bit further, given that right now I find it quite pointless for me to put that much effort into it yet, given that we are still starting up. So as we grow, expect more and more things and more benefits from this channel. So if you haven't subscribe and hit the like button and drop a few comments, whether you like it or not. Even if you say like, I don't believe what you say, even if you say, if you want to tell me that my strategy is crap, whatever, it doesn't matter, you know, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter because I know it works and I know that this is possible and I know that you can also do it with time and effort and commitment, of course. So catch you guys on the next one.